Throughout human history, man's most advanced farm technology amounted to little more than a stick to break the soil. In fact, early Roman plows were superior to those in general use in America 18 centuries later. Until 1797, when Charles Newbold received a patent for the first practical cast iron plow. In 1862, the first American agricultural revolution launched with a shift from hand power to horses. Though every advance helped us feed a growing populace, farming remained a back-breaking operation, requiring the manpower of more than half the country. Until the tractor. The versatile, now nearly ubiquitous machine made its appearance around 1868. Steam powered the first mechanical tractors. The size of railroad locomotives, they lumbered across the landscape, belching smoke and fire, and devouring large quantities of fuel and water. We needed something more efficient. Leave it to an Iowan. In 1892, John Freilich of Clayton County, Iowa, developed the first successful gasoline tractor. After receiving a patent, Freilich started up the Waterloo Gasoline Engine Company. The Freilich tractor was forerunner to the Waterloo Boy tractor, and eventually the famous John Deere two-cylinder tractor. By the early 1900s, gasoline-powered tractors were used extensively. In 1907, Henry Ford built his first experimental tractor. He dubbed it the automobile plow. In 1917, he introduced the Fordson, a wildly popular mass-produced tractor. By the 1920s, tractors with gasoline-powered internal combustion engines dominated the farming landscape. The basic tractor design used a simple open vehicle with two large driving wheels and the engine in front of the driver. The two steerable wheels rolled below the engine compartment. Variations included a kit to turn an ordinary Model T into a traction vehicle. These were called Hoover wagons during the Depression. Other innovations followed, including power steering and enclosed cabs. Today's tractors are state-of-the-art climate-controlled command centers with GPS navigation and sophisticated electronics. But their main task never changes. They empower the farmer to feed us all.